Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to learn Hindi or Sanskrit, this video is for you. This video is an introduction to Hindi alphabets. These alphabets are used in Hindi and Sanskrit language. This basically is a Devanagari script. Hindi and Sanskrit both use the same alphabets. These alphabets can be classified as consonants and vowels. The very first alphabet, which is this one, it is pronounced as K. Pronunciation is K, and one of the example of this is Kamal, which is lotus. In Hindi and Sanskrit, consonants are used along with vowels. For example, the first alphabet K comprises of K and A. This will be pronounced as K, and this will be pronounced as K. See the example right here. The consonant K can be paired with each and every vowel. In this slide, I am showing you only 4 of the vowels, which are A, I, and E. For example, K plus A equals K. K plus A equals Ka. K plus E equals Ki. K plus badi E, meaning big E, equals Ki. And without the vowel, it will be pronounced K. Let's see the examples of each of these. The example of K, word Kal. It is pronounced as Kal, and it means yesterday. An example of Ka is Kal. This actually is L plus A, L. Kal means time. An example of K plus choti e, Ki. Example of this is Kila, pronounced as Kila. It means fort. And then K plus badi E, Ki. The example of it is Keel. I am putting more stress on E here. Keel, pronounced as Keel, means nail. The nail which is hammered. An example of K, which is K without vowel. Example of K, also known as half K, is Makka. Notice here how the second alphabet is half K, pronounced as K. So this word is Makkah. In English, it is Mecca. So this is the first video. I will explain you the rest of the alphabets in the next video.